everybody. My name is Jeremy. Thank you so much for tuning in to another exciting adventure of exploring with the Nug. So today I am back at the river once again because I love coming to this river because there's so many treasures in it. Last time I was here, I found a lot of cool stuff. I found a phone. I think that's my 6th phone that I found here. I also found 4 more bottles of pennies in jars, and they had the little notes at the bottom of them. I found a pair of sunglasses, and I found a whole bunch of trash that I picked up and took out of here. So I'm gonna suit up and I'm gonna get back in this water and I'm gonna see what I can find. Today, I'm gonna start on the other side of the bridge because that's where the sun is at and the water is super murky. So let's get this day going before I run out of sunlight. Okay, I found all kinds of cool things. I found one mystery item, and it really looks like an urn. I don't know, let's hope for the best because it looks very weird. But how about we get to the house, I get out of this water and get warmed up a little bit, and I'll lay my stuff out, show you guys what I found. Let's go. I just got back to the house. I got a little bit of daylight left. I got all my finds set up on the table, so let's go take a look and show you what I got. Well, here's the stuff that I found. I found your usual trash. I didn't even organize it because I'm running out of daylight. I found me some nice Tommy Hilfiger sunglasses. I think they're nice, I don't know. I found this bottle. It was really old looking. I know it's not, but it still looks cool. It says Basil Hayden on it, if that makes any sense. Found me a candle. I found me what looks to be like a big arrow or a spear of some kind. It's kind of cool. I know what this is. Let's see if you guys know what it is. You recognize it yet? It's actually a lockbox that I'm pretty sure this is the kind of lockbox that they put on windshields at car dealerships to keep the keys in. And that was in the bottom of the river, so we can guess how it got there because it's smashed open. I found a handle to, I'm willing to bet that was the handle that went on the suitcase that I found with the bowling balls a couple weeks ago. So here's the find of the day. I found this very strange looking thing that I thought was an urn. I'll turn my light on for you. You see what this is? It is a jar encased in concrete, and I thought you could open it, but I ended up cutting it open, and it had the most foulest smelling but unique odor to it. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh man, dude. It wasn't rotten. It's very earthy, maybe potpourri-ish. Very not of this country, but it's very hard to explain. And there was a bell inside. The bell said the Polar Express on it. Does that make any sense to anybody? You guys gotta let me know in the comments. Whatever was in it is very putrid and bad, but it had glitter. See, here's some more over here. Can't really see it that well. I mean, it just, I couldn't explain it. It looks bad, but it has glitter in it. So anyway, well, there you have it. Another day hunting in the river. Another day of finding some pretty cool stuff. I didn't find anything dark, no urns, no knives, you know, no stolen suitcases, bags of jewelry. So not all days can be great days, but this was a pretty fun day. I found a lot of cool stuff. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know about some of these finds. I'd love to know your thoughts. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this stuff, just subscribe to my channel because I do these videos twice a week. I'm going to be doing them all through the winter. Especially come January, I'm getting my dive system and videos are going to be a whole lot cooler because I'll be able to stay down instead of going up and down and free diving. But other than that, my name is Jeremy. You guys keep watching me, and I'm going to keep on filming, and I will see you at the next one. Bye-bye.